ducky birds waddling on the ground. One named and one named Waddle, 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 they march in line, splashing in the puddles, feeling fine. Two little ducky birds floating on the lake. One named and one named Jake. Quack, 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 they swim and play in the sparkling water all day. Two little ducky birds resting in their nest. One named Zilla and one named Bess. Sleep, sleep, sleep as the sun goes down, dreaming of tomorrow in their cozy town. These simple, repetitive lyrics will be catchy and fun for kids.